Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix overheating issues on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So step 1, you need to identify the cause. You can close application running in the background, avoid heavy gaming or video editing for long periods, don't use your phone under direct sunlight. Step 2, clean up your phone, go to settings, battery and device care. Tap Optimize now if you can see it right here to close unused apps and clean memory, or uninstall unused or heavy apps that drain CPU. Now step 3, turn off unnecessary features. Disable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, location, and hotspot when not needed. So as you can see, I'm not using location, so I have to look for location and then make sure it is turned off. Also for other features and options right here. Now the next thing to do is you need to simply optimize your battery or turn on battery saver mode to limit background and processes. Next step is restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, tap restart. This helps clear temporary glitches causing overheating. Step 5, update software. Go to settings, software update, tap download and install if an update is available. Update often include fixes for overheating bugs. And that's how to fix overheating issues in Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.